this video, we are going to learn about speech writing, how to write speech writing, what are the formats, marking scheme with an example. Points to remember while writing speech writing. The first point is, in this question, you have to write a formal paragraph on the topic given to you. The main purpose of speech is to convey your views, knowledge, opinions to the audience. Write like you are talking, that is, in a conversational tone. Begin your speech with an address to the audience such as, "My dear teachers and friends, respected madam or sir, ladies and gentlemen, etc." Remember that a good speech is written from the point of view of audience. The language you use should be formal and respectful. In this question, they will give you points. You should make use of that points and frame the sentence for speech. In last, you can use quotation, that is expansion of proverbs, quotes, you can use it. End your speech by thank you. Now let us discuss about marking scheme. Proper beginning and ending contains 1 mark. Proper use of given points contain 2 mark. Appropriate use of grammar contain 1 mark. Proper flow of language 1 mark. Total 5 mark. So do remember this point and write your speech. Let us understand speech writing with an example. Prepare a speech on conservation of water. You can use these points to write your speech. Need for conservation, method of conservation, future plans to increase water conservation. Okay. You should always start your speech with a title. Okay. Save water. I have given save water title. You can give any title. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, good morning. Today I want to discuss a very important topic, save water. As we all know that water is our lifeline, it is basic need for humans, plants and also microorganisms. Without water, we cannot imagine our life. However, we cannot use the resource irresponsibly. We need to conserve it so that everyone has enough for their needs. By reducing the consumption of water and recycling the wastewater for various purposes, we can take the first step towards water conservation. Instead of taking showers, long showers, we can use bucket for bathing. Tap should be turned off while brushing teeth, washing utensils so that water does not flow unnecessarily. Agricultural irrigation, cleaning and many other things can be done using wastewater. One of the strategies in water conservation is rainwater harvesting. Digging ponds, lakes, canals, expanding the water reservoir and installing the rainwater catching ducts and filtration system on homes are different methods of harvesting rainwater. The value of water can't be measured until we feel it. Though the water is a natural gift, but the nature is not generous to all. If you look around the world, you will find many parts of the world that are struggling to face water scarcity and water crisis. So, I will end my speech repeating that one of the best and easiest way to increase water resources is by planting more and more trees. Thank you.